Hello everyone, Mr. Claus here. I'm going to show you how to play the song Hot Cross Buns on the alto saxophone. For this song, you will be using B, A, and G, the first three fingers on the saxophone, using the left hand, of course. All right, so this is what those three notes sound like. Those are the three notes we're playing. So let's hear what Hot Cross Buns sounds like. When you play the saxophone, make sure your teeth are on the top of the mouthpiece. You wrap your lips around nice and tightly, and then you don't puff your cheeks out, and you only put the mouthpiece in a little bit into your mouth, not too far, otherwise the sound will be too loud. So you only want to put the mouthpiece in a little bit into your mouth. Here we go. Ready? Hot Cross Buns. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. That is how Hot Cross Buns sounds. Take a listen to this video, see if that helps you out with practicing this week, and I can't wait to hear it next week when we get back to school. Have a great day, everyone.